Solve the equation minus 4 plus minus 1 plus 2 up to x equals to 437. Now we can look at the numbers and see that we can get the subsequent number by adding a fixed value. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. This type of numbers, this sequence is known as arithmetic sequence. So whenever we talk about arithmetic sequence, we have two formulas which will help us to solve arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression problems. They are nth term formula, which is given by an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and n is number of terms and d is the common difference. Common difference is the difference between the successive number and the previous number. Then we have sum of first n terms, which is given by Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have two variables. If you understand here, whatever we know, let's write down first. Now in this particular problem, if we go back to the formulas and see what is our a value. A is minus 4. Then what is d? D is 2 minus of minus 1, which is equals to 3. Then n is n. An equals to x. Sn equals to 437. So if we look at this information, whatever is given to us, we have two variables here. One is x, another is n. We have two equations. We have to find out two variables. So let's go ahead and apply these formulas and see how this goes. Now first formula I'll apply. I'll write down an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So x equals to minus 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. Can we get that 4 to this side? We'll have x plus 4 equals to n minus 1 into 3, or can we write down n minus 1 equals to x plus 4 divided by 3. What is that we are trying to do now by this formula is we are trying to get n in terms of x, so that in the second formula wherever n is there, we will change that to in terms of x. N equals to x plus 4 by 3 plus 1. Take LCM, you will have x plus 7 by 3. Once we are able to get this, now let's go to our Sn formula and write down Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn here? 437 equals to n by 2, that is 1 by 2 into n is x plus 7 by 3. That is what we got here. N is x plus 7 by 3. Multiply with 2a, 2 into minus 4 plus n minus 1. We know n minus 1 is x plus 4 by 3. Multiply that with d, which is equals to 3. Let us simplify that. 3 and 3 will cancel. We can write down in the next step 437 equals to x plus 7 divided by 6. Multiply that with minus 8 plus x plus 4. In the next step, we can write down 437 into 6 equals to x plus 7 into minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. So x minus 4. We are going to get a quadratic equation. So let's look at that. 437 into 6. 437 2s are 874. 8 is 874. 3s are 2622. equals to x into x square, x into minus 4 minus x, x into 7, 7x, 7 into minus 4 minus 28. Now simplify that. We will have x square plus 3x minus 2650 equals to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation we have to solve and get the value of x. X square plus 3x minus 2650 equals to 0. We can solve it by quadratic formula, or let us see if you can use splitting the middle term. We need sum of two terms to be plus 3 and the product is minus 2650. That can be written as plus 53 and minus 50. So this will become x square plus 53x minus 50x minus 2650 equals to 0. Can we simplify that further and write down x into x plus 53 minus 50 into x plus 53 equals to 0, which is equals to x plus 53 multiplied with x minus 50 equals to 0. So that gives us either x plus 53 equals to 0 or x minus 50 equals to 0. But which means x equals to minus 53 or x equals to 50. Now x cannot be negative term because we know the values are going on increasing. So x will be equals to 50. So the value is 50. The value of x is 50. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been asked to solve the equation minus 4 plus minus 1 plus 2 up to x equals to 437. Now we observe that the given numbers are in arithmetic progression because minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So by definition of arithmetic sequence, the subsequent number can be obtained by adding a fixed value to the previous number. So when we talk about arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression, we have two formulas to find out the nth term and formula to find out the sum of first n terms. Now we went to this problem, we understood what is our a value, what is our d value, what is sn, what is an given. Applied these two formulas, two variables n and x we need to find out, and we are interested in x, so we have written n in terms of x. We went to the second equation, wherever n is there we replaced that in terms of x. We got a quadratic equation in x, we solved it, we are able to find out that x equals to minus 53 or plus 50. Now minus 53 is ruled out because we know that an will be a positive value because we are adding going on 3, so it cannot be a negative value. So positive value x is 50.